Hello everyone, my name is Akash Vashne, Assistant Professor, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. In this video, I am going to discuss Karnaugh map, which is also called as K-map. This is developed by Karnaugh in 1953. Actually, K-map is used to simplify Boolean algebra expression. In the previous video, we will see that for the simplification of algebraic expression, we are using laws of Boolean algebra. For example, distributive law, associative law, commutative law, de Morgan's theorem, etc., which is very complex, which makes the problem very complex. With the help of K-map, we will simplify the algebraic expression very easily. Okay, so this is the advantage of K-map. Now we can see how we will develop the K-map. Okay, so firstly we have discussing the two variable K-map. Two variable K-map. Here variables are two variables. So for two variables we have four number of cells. Okay, for example, for two variable K-map we have to make a rectangle and divide it into four parts. Okay, so this is the one cell, this is second cell, this is third cell, and this is fourth cell, and we have to write the variable a and b here. We can write either a in this side or b in this side, or b in this side or a in this side, which is depending on you. Okay, so for two variable map we have to make a this type of pictorial representation. Okay, suppose if there are three variables, we have to make a 8 cells. Okay, so there is a general formula for the determination of number of cell. Okay, so this is the general formula, that is number of cell equals to 2 raised to the power n. Okay, and represent the number of variable, and represent the number of variable. Okay, if we have n equals to 3, then we had number of cells equals to 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8. Then we have 8 cells. Okay, in this way we can determine the number of cells for any variable. Okay, but in our syllabus we are limited to 4 variable K-map. Okay, now we are discussing 2 variable K-map in detail. For example, this is the 2 variable K-map. Have right, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, because these are the possibility of two variable K-map. Because we can study in the truth table that we can have two variable a and b, and suppose y is the output, then we can have a is 0, b is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, in this way. Okay, so these are the 4 possibility. Okay, suppose we have to we have considered output 1 here, here 0, here 0. Suppose this is the example only. If a is 0, b is 0, we can get output 1. If 1 is a is 1, b is 1, then we can get output is 1. Okay, so we have to represent this in the K map. So we can see if a is 0 is this and b is 0, then we can see the column which is fit to highlight this is the column. Okay, so we have to suppose I will make here actually like this fashion. This is a, this is b, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So this is a complement. 0 means a complement, or sorry, this is 0, this is 1, this is a complement, and this is a, this is b complement, this is b. Now we have to represent a complement as one output, then that is this cell. Okay, this is a complement, this is b complement, then we can to highlight this cell as 1. Suppose in the table we can consider a equals to b equals to 1, then we can output is 1. Then a equals to 1 is this row, and b is this row, then we can have this is the 1. So then we have to highlight this cell as 1. Okay, in this way we put the 1 in the cells. Okay, now we have developed the 3 variable k map. Okay, so in 3 variable k map we have two structure, vertically structure and horizontally structure. For 3 variables we have number of cells equals to 8, because we have the formula 2 raised to the power n. So 2 raised to the power 3, then we can have 8, then we can have 8 number of cells. For that we have two structure, horizontal structure and vertical. Firstly we have draw the horizontal structure in this way. Okay, this is the horizontal structure. We can put C oblique AB. Either you have to write here AB and here C. Okay, which is dependent on your choice. Okay, this is not compulsory that you have to write C here or AB is here. You have to write anything any side. Okay, this is horizontal. Okay, now vertical structure we say. In vertical structure we have to draw like this fashion. Now there is a notice that in the k map we have can use here 0 0 0 1, then 1 1, then 1 0. This is 1 1. This is actually comes into the last, but we can put here second last. Actually we can read as 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is the standard configuration, but in the k map we can use 0 0 0 1, then after 0 1 we can use 1 1, then 1 0. Actually in the k map there is a rule, if we go from one cell to another cell, then only one bit is changed. Okay, one bit is changed. Suppose this is 0, this is 0. Okay, this is okay. Now in the second cell we can say first bit is 0, that is not changing, but second bit is 1. So okay, one bit is changing. But if we use, suppose after 0 1 we can use 1 0. Okay, then we can see 0 is changed into 1, 1 bit change, and 1 is changed into 0, second bit is changed. But this is the limitation. This is explained by the Karnoff, that if we going from one cell to another cell we have to change only one bit. That's why we can place 1 1 before the 1 0. Okay, you have to remember this point, why will we have put 1 1 before 1 0. So you have to write this is as 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. And here C is single variable, then there is only two possibility, that is 0 and 1. Suppose we have to write 0 0 in the algebraic form, then 0 0 means complement form, A complement and B complement. Okay, if we write 0 1, then we can write A complement and B is like SA. Then now 1 1, then here is A and B only. Now we can write 4, then we can write A and B complement. Okay, here we can write C complement and C only. In this way we can define the variables in the alphabet form. Okay, now we have to highlight the A bar, B bar and C bar cell. Okay, now you have to highlight A bar, B bar and C bar, this cell. So we can see that A bar, B bar is the first cell and C bar is also the first cell. Then we can put one. Okay, so this is you have to highlight. Suppose you have to highlight A bar, B and C complement. Okay, so A bar, B is second cell and C is the first cell, then corresponding to C complement, this is the second cell. So okay, you in this way you can highlight the cell. Okay, this is understand. But you have to use any configuration for 3 variable, either horizontal structure or vertical structure. No variation is there, answer will be same, remain same in both these case. Okay, now we have to going for 4 variable k map. four variable K map. In four variable K map, there are number of cells is 2 raised to the power n. Then we have to put n equals to 4. Then we can get 16 cells here. Okay, 16 cells. We can put AB here and CD here, either CD here and AB here, and we can get the possibility of CD and AB. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 1 1 and 1 0. I will make here. Okay, that's you will understand easily. We have to make 16 configuration. You have to write here 0 0 0 1 1 1, not 1 0, because in the K map only one bit is changed from going from one cell to another cell. Then we can do right here 1 0. Same here 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, there is a standard that the first cell is denoted as 0, then this is 1, then this is 2, this is 3. Okay, if we if the question is given in the sum of product form and product of sum form, then we give as as 1 2 comma 3 is there. Okay, so then we can use standard configuration that first cell is denoted as 0, second cell is 1, then 3, then 2. Okay, here we can write 4 5, and this one is 6, then this is 7, then this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, or this is 11, then this is 12, this is 13, and this is 14, and this is 15. This is clear to you that first cell is 0, then 1, then 3, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 7, then 6, then 12, then 13, then 15, then 14, then 8, then 5, then 11, then 10. This is clear to you that we can write here 8 instead of that. Okay, because if we see in the truth table configuration, 1 0 0 is 8. Okay, so here we can 8. Okay, so you have to remember this way. Now there are some rule for K map simplification. Okay, now there is some rules for K map simplification. There are the 7 rules. We are discussing one by one these 7 rules. First rule is that group may not contain 0. If we want to grouping the K map, then we can remember that it will not contain 0. Group can be 1 2 4 8 or 2 raised to the power n cell. Okay, we have to firstly make 1 2 4 8 or 2 raised to the power n. We have to make group like in this fashion. Okay, each group should be as large as possible. ओके सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि अगर 8 ऑक्टेट का ग्रुप पॉसिबल है, देन वी हैव टू मेक अ ऑक्टेट ग्रुप, देन वी कैन मेक फोर्थ क्वार्टर ग्रुप, देन वी कैन डबल ग्रुप, देन सिंगल ग्रुप. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस बाय एग्जांपल. नाउ सेल कंटेनिंग 1 मस्ट बी ग्रुप. अगर 1 है तो उसको भी हमें ग्रुप करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ग्रुप में ओवरलैप, ग्रुप को ओवरलैप भी कर सकते हैं. देन 6th रूल इज अपोजिट ग्रुपिंग एंड कॉर्नर ग्रुपिंग इज अलाउ. अपोजिट ग्रुपिंग एंड कॉर्नर ग्रुपिंग विल बी अलाउ, and there should be as few group as possible. Okay, so these are the 7 rule for developing the K-map simplification. Okay, now we can give the example of this group. Firstly, we have to make 4 variable K-map. Okay, now suppose there is a this one only, there is a single one. Okay, so you have to write the algebraic form. Then we can see this corresponding to 1 हम लोग देखेंगे, corresponding to 1 हम लेफ्ट में देखेंगे, तो then we can have a bar b bar. ओके, एंड corresponding to 1 हम टॉप पर देखेंगे क्या है, c bar and d bar. We have to write in the sum of product form. Then this is the grouping of 1. In this way we can write 1 as a bar, b bar, c bar and d bar. It is clear to you? Okay, now suppose if we have 1 here and here, now we will have to grouping doublet. Okay, so how you can doublet? Now you have to write this. Okay, so corresponding to 1 1 you have to see in the left which is common. 0 0 and 0 1 में common क्या हो रहा है, तो जीरो क्या है, रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो यू हैव टू राइट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ओके, देन यू कैन सी ऑन द टॉप विच इज कॉमन, 1 0 इज कॉमन, तो 1 इज सी एंड 0 इज डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. देन वी कैन राइट ग्रुपिंग ऑफ दिस इन दिस. It is clear. Suppose I'll put one more example. Suppose here is 1 1. Okay, you have to group in this fashion. Okay, double grouping will be allowed. Now you can see in the left which is common, 1 1 is common. Then you have to write 1 1 is what, A and B, and C on the top corresponding to these two 1. Then we can say 0 1 and 1 1. 1 is common, then 1 represent D, then you can write this. So we have to write grouping in this fashion. Okay, you have to understand the concept. Now we will see another example of 4 variable. Suppose they are one are placed in such a way, so then you have to make a quarter grouping. Now you will see left there is a two configuration, 0 0 and 0 1. Then which is common, 0 is common, 0 represent the A, then this is A complement, 0 represent complement form. Then we can see on the top, in the top we have 1 1 and 1 0, so 1 is common, then we can have C, then we can grouping quarter is A bar and C bar. Okay, it is clear. Now suppose if the 1 are present in such a way, if 1 are present in such a way that we have a octet grouping. Okay, because in the rule we are discussing that we have to make group as large as possible. If there is a possibility of octet, you have to make first octet, then quarter, then डबल, देन सिंगल. ओके, सबसे पहले हमें ऑक्टेट की ग्रुपिंग करनी है अगर पॉसिबल हो रहा है, देन हमें क्वार्टर की ग्रुपिंग करनी है, देन हमें किसकी ग्रुपिंग करनी है, डबल की ग्रुपिंग करनी है, देन सिंगल की करनी है. ओके, तो मैं आपको एक क्या कर रहा है, इलस्ट्रेशन के थ्रू आपको रूल्स को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. सपोज देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी लाइक दिस फैशन, then we have to write, then we can see in the left there is two configuration, 1 1 and 1 0. Then there is which is common, A 1 is common, then we can write A. Now we can see on the top there are 4 possibilities, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, and we cannot have anything common on the top, then we can have only A as a algebraic expression. Okay, now we will illustrate the fifth rule is that अगर we see fifth rule explain that group may overlap. Now we can see the illustration of overlapping in this way. Now there are a grouping, they are one as like this possible. Now we can group large, then there is a possibility of quarter grouping, then we can make like this fashion. Now one is left, this one is left, then we have to make one grouping. There is a one grouping, we have to make one grouping in such a way that like this fashion we have to make. Then we have see that this one is overlap by making these two grouping, then this overlapping is possible in the KMF, because we will see we have to make grouping as large as possible. Then we have to write this as simplification. Then we can see if we have to see this quarter, then we see in the left there is nothing is common, and in the top we can see C and D is 0, then we can write C bar and D bar. Okay, then we have to make plus, because this is the sum of product form, and we have to draw the KMF in the sum of product form. Okay, then we have to grouping this 1 1, so we have to see that which is common. Here is 0 0 0 0 means A complement and B complement, and in the top we can have 0 common, 0 represent C, C means C bar, then this we have to write the Boolean expression as this way. Okay, so rule number 5, it is clear to do. Now we can see rule number 6. Rule number 6. Rule number 6 explain opposite grouping and corner grouping is allowed. Opposite grouping and corner grouping is allowed. Okay, so we can see the example. In this we can see, suppose the conjugation of 1 is here present. Now we have to see that this is 1 at the corner, this is 1 at the corner, this is 1 at the corner, and this is with the 1. Then we can to make quarter grouping by making the number 6, that we have to make corner grouping also. Then we can see corner grouping. In the corner grouping we can see that this is 0 0 and this is 1 0. Then we can see what is common. 0 is common. 0 is the second bit is b var, and in the top we can say 0 0 and 1 0. Then what is common? 0 0 is the second bit, then we can have d bar. Then we have to write grouping of this in this way. Okay, so rule number 6 is this. Or we can see one more example. Suppose like in this way, suppose in this way k map is the given like this fashion. 4 variable k map, there is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Then you have to make grouping like this fashion, because large group is quarter group. Then we have to make corner grouping, adjacent grouping. Okay, in this way. Suppose here is 1 1, then we have to make white like this fashion. This is the larger. So in this way we draw the k map and simplify the Boolean expression. This is the example of adjacent grouping. Okay, in this we can see that we have this grouping and this grouping. Now we have to write the Boolean expression of this. Then we can see in nothing is common, but in the top we have 0 0 and 0 0 and 1 0. There is common is 0 0 represents second bit is d bar. Okay, then we have to write is d bar. So now we have a question of K 2007. In the 2007 there is a question of k map. In the sum of product function f x comma y comma z, which is equals to summation 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, the prime implicants. Actually I will discuss the prime implicant. Actually prime implicants वो होता है जो हम ग्रुपिंग करते हैं. जैसे this is the prime implicant. Okay, so the prime implicants, option A is x var b y comma x y var, option B is x var y comma x y var z var comma x y var z. C option is x var y z var and z comma x y var. D option is x var y z var comma x var y z x y var z var comma x y complement z. So you have to find the prime implicants. So actually question is given in the sum of product form. I will previously discuss this thing. If question is given in 2 3 form, we have to do there. We can see that 3 variables there. For 3 variables there is a 8 cells. Okay, so 1 2 3, then we have to have 8 cells. Suppose we have right here x and here is y z. Now we have right here 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here 0 and 1. Now we can see the question. Now we have right suffix. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6, this is 7. Okay, there's 2 is here, then we have to write 1 here. 3 is here, then we have to write 1 here. 4 you have to write 1 is here and 5 here. Okay, now you have to see the prime implicant. Prime implicants means grouping. Then we have to group this one in this fashion only and this one in this fashion. Then we can see the algebraic expression of this corresponding to this 0 is there. Then we can write x bar, and in the top we can see 1 is common, then we can write y. So that is one prime implicant is x bar and y bar. And if we do the prime implicant of this, the common thing is that x, and in the top there is 1 is common. 1 is common is no, sorry, 0 is common. That 0 is common is y. Then x y bar. Then we can see which option is correct. A option is correct. Okay, so there are two prime implicants, that is x bar y and x y bar. Now we have another question. The k map for Boolean function is shown in figure. The number of essential prime implicant for this function is option A is 4, option B is 5, option C is 6, option D is 8. And k map आपको दिया है, आपको essential prime implicants बताने हैं. You have to determine essential prime. Essential prime implicant means just simple grouping. What essential prime implicant means, in this way we can understand. Suppose this is the key map. Suppose this is the 3 variable key map. Okay, one is present like this fashion, in this fashion. For grouping these 1 and 1 we have this possibility. So this is the essential prime implicant. For this one we have to mark in this fashion, this is essential prime implicant. But now we can mark in this fashion, this is not essential prime implicant, this is prime implicant only. Okay, essential prime implicant, there is a necessity to make grouping is called as essential prime implicant. Okay, so we have to determine the essential prime implicant here. So we have to grouping 1 corner grouping we have to make here in this fashion. So this is the okay. Now we have to grouping this one in this fashion, second grouping, and we have to make grouping in this fashion, this is third, and we have to make in this grouping in this fourth. So the correct answer is 4. There are 4 essential prime implicant are there. Now question number 3, these are the gate problem only. I am discussing the gate problem in this lecture, so don't we take lenient that this problem are very easy, that are asked in the gate exam. Okay, the minimized form of logical expression are a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b c bar plus a bar b c plus a b c bar is option A B C D are given. We have to minimize the Boolean expression. Now we have seen there are 3 variables, then we have to draw the 3 variable k map only. 1 2 3. For 3 variable you have to make 8 cells. Then we can write here C and here B. Okay, now we can see this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 1 1 1 1 0, and this is 0, this is 1. Now we can see a bar b bar c bar. So a bar b bar c bar comes to the one cell, we have to highlight this. Then second is a bar b is second and c bar, then we have to write second cell a bar b and c. So a bar c is not complement, then we have this cell. Then another is a b c bar. So a b is this and c bar is this, then we have to write in this fashion. Then we have to make grouping. Okay, so as large as possible, first grouping in this fashion, second grouping in this fashion, and third grouping in this fashion. Then we have to write the expression of first grouping. First grouping is 1 1, this 1 1. Okay, this 1 1. Okay, so we have to write the algebraic expression of this. We have C in the left, in this left we can see C complement or in the top we have C A var. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression of this. Now we have to write the grouping of this. We have C in the left C var, or in the right we have B. Okay, now we have to grouping this only. In the this we have seen in the left nothing is common, but in the top 0 1 0 1 represent A complement and B have. So when we have right in the addition form, then the answer is A option is correct. Okay, now next heading is don't care condition. Don't care condition. The don't care conditions means we may use or may not use in the grouping. Actually, don't care condition is represented by D letter or cross sign. This D and cross represent, you have to mark is at 0 or 1 depending on the grouping nature. If you have to make group as large as possible, you have to mark D and cross as 0 or 1. Okay, so this is the don't care condition. So don't care condition question is the number of product term in the minimized sum of product form expression obtained through the following K map is, where D denote the then don't care condition. Okay, this is the K map. We have to find the number of product term. Okay, so we have to grouping in corner grouping is possible. So you have to write this, but there is one is left. We have, for this one we have to grouping in this fashion. Okay, so this is the here two product term are here, मतलब two prime implicants are there. Answer is correct. We do not need don't get condition for making a grouping. It is not necessary that we have to make don't that we have to use don't get condition for grouping. If it is required, then we have to use only, otherwise we have not used. Okay, next question is question number 5th. The Boolean expression is there. The Boolean expression आपको दिया हुआ है and you have to minimize it. Okay, so A B C D options are given, or you have to minimize it with the K map only. Actually, this is not written in the question that you have to minimize with the K map. You have to minimize with the laws of Boolean algebra. But with the K map, the question become very easy. Okay, so we have to apply the K map techniques. Now we have to draw the K map. Here the question consists of 4 variables, then you have to draw the 4 variable K map. Okay, so 4 variable K map we have to draw here. So 4 variable K map we have to draw, then we have to write A bar, B bar, C bar. So A bar, B bar, so A bar, B bar, C bar and D. Then this one comes here. Okay, I will make here K map. Okay, I'll make the K map here so that you will understand easily. There we can write A and B, and here we can write CD, and here we can write 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now this expression is A bar B bar. A bar B bar is there, and second is C and D bar. C and D, C bar and D bar. So there is one here. Okay. A bar B is here, and C D bar, then one is come to here. Okay, you have to put. Now third expression is A bar B bar, sorry, A B bar, A B bar, A and B bar. A and B bar is this, and D. C bar and D is, you have to place one here. Expression is AB. AB is 1 1 only, AB is 1 is there, and C bar and D bar. So C bar and D bar is there. Now we have to grouping. Now we have the adjacent grouping. Now this one and this one is remain left, do not have grouping, then you have to mark as single grouping only. So they are 3 prime implicant. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now we have to add these 3 and get your answer. Okay, so you will get the correct answer is D only. Correct answer is D. Now this is the last question. The Boolean expression for truth table shown is now in the product of sum form. Product of sum form. For product of sum form, we have to write 0 output as 1 in the K map. Okay, there is nothing change. You have to complement the sum of product form for the product of sum form. So there is a truth table. In the truth table, you have to represent 0 0 0 as 1 in the K map and get your answer. But for answering, you have to multiply the expression of prime implicant. But in the previously we have seen that you have to write the expression in the addition form, but in the product of sum form you have to multiply the prime implicants. Okay, suppose this is the prime implicant. For this prime implicant we can get B only, and this is the prime implicant, we can get A plus C, and this is the prime implicant, we can get A and A plus C bar, and we can get here A plus C. Then you have to write as answer B bracket A bar plus C bar bracket A plus C. Okay, so this is your correct answer, that is the A option. Okay, there is a difference only that to complement the sum of product form in the